Hi, my name is Ciara. I've been a lash artist for 5 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we'll be talking about lash consultations. We do lash consultations in order to help manage expectations of your client and to make sure that you're giving your client the correct set that they want. We want to make sure that the shape and style is exactly what they're looking for, and you have to make sure that you're asking the right questions in order to get to that point. When your client first is in your chair, it's really important that you understand their lifestyle because that's going to affect their retention. So 3 important questions that you may want to ask your clients are, what does their everyday look like? Did they normally wear strip lashes before they decided to get extensions? And do they have any allergies or sensitivities? Before you begin the service, you want to make sure you run through all of these questions with your client. You're going to look over their waiver, make sure that there aren't any contraindications. And then after that, you will make sure that you are asking all of the questions that we mentioned before. I always like to sit in front and make sure that I'm making eye contact with my client so that they're getting my full attention. After that, we discuss shape and style. And then I go around and I check their natural lashes. We want to make sure that the natural lashes can hold whatever it is that they're requesting. And that's how we make sure that we're getting the set perfect to what they want and also that it's healthy for their natural lashes. When it comes to a lash consultation, you can never ask too many questions. You want to make sure that you're giving your client all of the options that they have for shape, curl, and style, and making sure that you're really understanding exactly the look that they're going for. That way the expectation is met at the end of the service. It's also super important that you have pictures on your Instagram or even a display where you show the difference between all of the sets. That way your clients can get a visual of the set that they're going to be getting and how it's going to look on their eye shape. It's also important that you consult with your clients every single time. So even if you've had the same client for 2 or 3 years, when they're coming in for their fill appointments, you always want to do a check-in with them and ask if they want to do the same shape or style that they've been getting or if there's any change that they want to make to their set. When your clients come in for their fill, this is your chance to upgrade them to the next set up. So if somebody comes in with a volume fill, but they ended up wanting something a little bit fuller, you're able to upgrade them to mega. So it's really important that you do these mini consultations, even on fills for clients that you've seen for a long time, because it gives you the chance to upgrade the service. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it brought you a ton of value. If you are interested in becoming a certified lash artist with LivBay, make sure you head to livbaylashclass.com and check out the class schedule. We'll be in a city near you. Also, do you have any questions about lash consultations? If so, leave them in the comments below. We would love to answer them for you. See you in the next video.